Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly, and today I'm going to show you a product that I got from Onedaysaving. I have worked with this company, I think about 4 or 5 times in the past. I love this company. They specialize in cross-stitch. They also have diamond painting, and they also have paint by number. They also have a whole section where you can get everything for $4 and under. Love that section very much. So I'm going to show you some stuff that I got. Earlier I just said one product, but I think I was sent 2. So let me show it to you. First thing is this. Let me show you what it's right here, by the way. That's what it is. It is like little, it's birds, and it's like a kind of like a stake, and you put them in your house plants. And I think these are so cool. And Brooklyn is obviously thinking they're cool too. I don't want Brooklyn to eat these. So here's like the little sticks or the stakes, whatever you want to call them. So those will actually go in your plant. But trying to get everything out. So it comes with everything you need. The diamond paintings from this company, you always get one of these. Comes with the glue and the tray and the little pen that you need to pick up your little diamond painting pegs. I think they're called drills, but they're all right here, everything that I need. These also come with suction cups. So maybe I can actually put these birds like in a window or something, would be kind of nice. Maybe, that might be an idea. So there's 2 suction cups, and in here are 2 birds. Right here. So pretty. I think this is just going to be beautiful. There are differences in the birds. They are not the same bird. So I just thought this was so pretty. Again, I did select this. They gave me choices of anything on their website. And I saw this and I'm like, that is so me. It is so pretty. So the next product that I selected from Onedaysaving is this, and this is for Easter. What it is right here, it's an Easter basket, and it is so very pretty. So let me go ahead and open this up and show this to you. I gotta get this done before Easter. Geez, I'm running out of time. Let's see. Brooklyn. My little dog is so excited. So here it is, right here. Now, I believe this lights up. So when I'm done with this, I'll have to do another video and show you. But let me go ahead and check it out. I know one of them that I received lit up. Let me see if this comes with lights, and for sure then I'll know. Let's see. Brooklyn. Okay. This is to hang it. Brooklyn, no. I think it does come with lights. I think this is what, yes. Okay. So here's the lights. And it goes all the way around. My dog's trying to run off with my stuff. Let me get it. No, Brooklyn, that's not for you. So it comes with this. These are the drill bits, or whatever you call them, pegs. Then it comes with this. And here's the light that I was just showing you. So you put the light all the way around on the outside. I have a birdhouse that I did. It is really, really pretty. And then here again is thing to hang it. It also comes with these little sticky things, so I guess you can stick it on a window or a mirror, or wherever you want to put it. So that is what I got from Onedaysaving. They have great sales going on right now for spring. They have many new things, so yeah, you might want to go ahead and just check it out. I love the website. It is so fun. Check in my description box. I do have, I believe, a code where you can save some money and some information regarding their spring sale. So everyone, thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you very much, and have a great day. Bye.